Hey there, guys. Today we're going to continue with reading about the captain's job and when there was a time in his career that he had to keep his crew and passengers safe. You'll see there's a visual up here of some birds, and you're going to find out why in a minute. Our story starts in January of 2009. The captain of a plane took off in New York. That's a very busy city. As the plane rose, it ran into some birds. The birds got caught in the engines. Both engines stopped. The captain had to figure out how to save the plane. There would not be time to go back to the airport. He saw a river, the Hudson River. It's a big river, but there were boats on it, and the water was cold. Still, he knew that would be the safest place to land. He told the passengers to get ready for a hard landing. He wanted to be sure they got to safety. In the cabin, the passengers were scared. The airline workers told them to do their best. They said to put their heads down and hold on tight. The passengers did that. They looked at each other. Family members held hands. They told each other how they felt.